Ledger Live Full Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to my full review of Ledger Live. Links to the product and its features can be found in the description below. Let's get straight to it. Ledger Live is the companion software for Ledger hardware wallets, providing users with an intuitive interface to manage their crypto assets. It's designed for anyone who uses a Ledger Nano S or Ledger Nano X and seeks a simple, secure way to interact with their digital assets. Ledger Live allows users to send, receive, buy, and swap cryptocurrencies directly from the app, offering full control over their portfolio in a secure environment. Features include the ability to manage a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more than 1,800 altcoins. It supports staking for several coins like Ethereum 2.0 and Tezos, letting users earn passive rewards. The portfolio tracking feature allows you to monitor your holdings in real time, and you can also check detailed transaction history for transparency. Ledger Live integrates with DeFi apps and supports hardware wallet security to ensure private keys never leave the device. The app also has a Buy Crypto feature, allowing users to purchase digital assets using credit cards or bank transfers, making it a one-stop solution for many crypto management needs. On the strengths, Ledger Live provides excellent security thanks to its integration with Ledger's hardware wallets, ensuring that your private keys are stored offline. The user interface is sleek and easy to navigate, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. The app supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, and the integration with DeFi is a great addition for those looking to explore decentralized finance. However, there are some weaknesses. One of the main drawbacks is that Ledger Live is only compatible with Ledger hardware wallets, so if you don't already own one, it's not usable on its own. The limited direct exchange options for trading can also be a downside for users who prefer a more robust trading platform. Additionally, the app's limited mobile features compared to the desktop version may be restrictive for some users. In conclusion, Ledger Live is an excellent companion for Ledger hardware wallet users, offering robust security, a broad range of features, and an easy-to-use interface. It's perfect for anyone who wants to manage their crypto assets securely and conveniently. Be sure to check the links in the description for more information and to get started.